Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. The last video I made was the Tmsca number sense addition video, and since we're just moving up the ladder, today I'm going to be doing Tmsca number sense but subtraction. Now, I'm gonna walk through all of this with examples and everything, and it might be hard to understand just by hearing me speak, so do try to follow along with the examples because that is going to make it a lot easier to understand than simply just listening or reading to something. So I'm just gonna dive right into it with the first example. I'm gonna do 72 minus 45. So really what we're doing is we're subtracting from right to left. And since the first subtraction is, it's just like addition, we're going to take the numbers in the ones place first. So since the first subtraction is 2 minus 5, we obviously can't do that because we don't want a negative number. So we're going to carry the same way we do a normal subtraction, right? We're just going to carry over from the 7 and add that ones place and then make this a 12, yeah? And so we know that 12 minus 5 is 7, and then the same, whatever we did with addition, how we moved from the ones place to the tens place, we're going to do the same thing, so then we're doing 7 minus 4, but since we carried a 1 earlier from the 7 to make this a 12, we're going to be actually doing 6 minus 4, which is 27, which is 2, and then the answer is 27. Yeah, so it's really ideally the same as addition. We're just subtracting instead. Carrying the 1 makes it a little bit harder to understand sometimes, but I hope this example kind of helped walk you through it. So I am gonna go ahead and show you guys another example. This time I'm gonna do 57 minus 32. Alright, so we're gonna start off like we always do. Take the numbers in the ones place. 7 minus 2, we know that is 5. Then we're gonna move to the numbers in the tens place. 5 minus 3, we know that's 2. And this one was a bit easier because we didn't have to carry anything. And the answer is simply 25. I'm gonna do one more example actually, because I think one last example can really help make sure you guys truly understood the concept. So I'm just gonna do third example. I'm going to do 41 minus 27. So like always, numbers in the ones place. So 1 minus 7, and since we can't subtract a bigger number from a smaller number, you're going to be carrying a 1, making this an 11, yeah? And then 11 minus 7 is 4, and then you go ahead, carry from the tens place, so 4 minus 2, but since we carried a 1 for the 11, it's going to be 3 minus 2, which is 1, and so the answer is simply 14. So yeah, it really is pretty simple, and I worked all of these out for you guys, but I definitely recommend just taking any 2 random numbers and practicing just subtracting, you know, and yeah, the more you practice, you're gonna be able to do it in your head super easy. It's really not hard, it just requires a few minutes of practice. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!